Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change or switch accounts in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Google Chrome browser is already open on your computer. Once you have Chrome running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll notice your profile icon displayed there, which typically shows either your Google account picture or an initial letter. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to proceed. This icon is your gateway to managing all your Chrome profiles and accounts, making it easy to switch between different user settings and preferences. After clicking your profile icon, a menu will appear showing you various options related to your Chrome profile. In this menu, look for a section labeled Other Chrome Profiles. This section displays all the additional accounts you've added to Chrome, making it simple to identify which profile you want to switch to. Each profile listed here represents a separate Google account with its own bookmarks, history, extensions, and settings. Now, take a moment to find the specific account you want to switch to from the list of profiles displayed. Each profile will show the account name or email address associated with it, along with the profile picture if one has been set. This makes it easy to identify exactly which account you need. Once you've located the correct profile, simply click on it to initiate the switch. After clicking on your desired profile, Chrome will automatically open a new browser window with that account. This new window operates independently from your previous one, meaning both profiles can run simultaneously if needed. The newly opened window will have all the settings, bookmarks, and extensions associated with the account you just switched to, giving you a completely personalized browsing experience for that profile. And that's it. You've successfully switched to a different account in Google Chrome, allowing you to access all the personalized settings and data for that specific profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.